Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another one of Chop's vlogs, and this time we are in. Where are we?
Skyway.
We're in the Skyway. We're walking in the Skyway, and I'm with my boys. What's your name?
What's up, ma'am?
What's your name?
I'm Ali, guys.
It's Ago. It's Ago right there, and this Luis. Ay, Calvin. Calvin. And so we just got out of our math class.
Wants to be the middle. Okay, so we have two volunteers at the back. Your name, please. What's your name?
Daniel.
Wow, Daniel for Bido.
Estaris, Daniel. Okay, for the BSLN. Okay, sige, we can have two. If you want. We can have one name. Okay, now.
You're so much
Yeah. So how was your first Math 2 class, boys? Boring. Boring.
I learned a lot today.
You learned a lot.
I learned a lot, bro. Nalulunod na ako mag-leader.
So we're actually here in Math 2 because we all failed Math 10.
Yes, definitely.
Actually, no.
We didn't fail.
That guy didn't fail.
He failed enough.
We didn't fail.
And we are headed to our Theo class, which is in. Where's our Theo class? What's that? It's.
Oh shit, it's there.
Oh shit, it's here pala. So I'm gonna. Oh wow, it's slippery.
Oh shit.
So I'm gonna interview one of my blockmates here and ask her about her stay in Ateneo. Hello. Hello. What's your name?
Ray.
So I would like you to tell me
Hi,
about.
welcome back to his vlog. What?
I would like you to tell me about your stay in Ateneo.
Masaya. English ba yun? Kailangan?
Any?
It's happy. Masaya! So far, so good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yun lang yung masasabi ko.
All right.
Thank you so much.
We'll catch you guys in our Theo class. Yo guys, how was Math 10? How was Math 10? Easy? Wow, so smart. What's up, Theo people? Hey. What's up, Theo? Oh, sir. I'm here with Sir Theo teacher right here.
Mr. Roncal.
Mr. Uncle right there. What's up, guys? Yo. Oh, someone's gonna borrow my tape.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to my vlog. Today,
Say hi!
I am stealing the spotlight. So, we are in Theology.
And this is pork chop.
The iconic, the legend, the one and only pork chop. So, like and subscribe, comment down below if you want to see more.
Check out this rich kid with new kicks. Oh, from Cebu, yo, cebuano. Give me say something in cebuano. Okay guys, so we have split up into our groupings. We're gonna do a discussion. We have a question on the board. It says, do you believe in miracles? Why or why not? So you sir, do you believe in miracles?
Of course, pare. Why though?
Why?
Kasi nandito pa sa Ateneo.
How about you sir? What's your name? Please give your name and answer.
Daniel, 17 years old, from Ateneo, biktima ng BSLM from Quezon City.
Single
And I don't believe in miracles.
Why?
Because science.
This guy. What's your name?
My name's Jose Rogelio Juliano Villaseñor. And I'm from the Ateneo, from LA. No, I don't believe in miracles.
Why is that?
Shoutout nga pala kay Mommy.
Because
Shoutout kay Mommy. I'm here, Mommy.
Because I failed the diagnostic test.
You don't know what's because you're gonna base it on a scientific approach. So,
Hi, what is your name? Angie? Angela.
Angela.
It's Angela.
Angelus.
Please state your gender, your origin, address, and your answer to the question.
I'm female.
Yes.
Yeah, I believe in miracles. I'm the miracle.
Oh, what's your answer? Do you believe in miracles?
Yes.
Why?
Because I'm a miracle.
Oh! I thought you're Chino. Okay, got a friend, Tanya. Tasha from Pomelo and from AC. And that's Mika Chan right there. You can see how white she is from the camera.
What?
So
Guys, fun fact, Pork Chop did not know my name.
So
in
guys,
my
welcome
birthday.
back to the same day edit of the Ika Savior Interaction.
Thank
okay.
you.
Okay, thank you guys.
Guys, please subscribe, like, and comment down below.
Yes.
Pork Chop.
Yeah, pork chop. And you know,
Pork chop.
there's a girl there.
Ori and Moira.
Ori. So like the first thing I noticed about that girl were her eyes, and I couldn't tell if she was faking it with contacts or not. So like, what do you guys think? Comment in the section down below.
Are you in contact? Comment down below if you think I'd make a better vlog than Pork Chop.
See, let's get a close up. Let's see. Look at those eyes. And then open.
Thanks, bro.
Ready?
I block you on.
Sup, ma?
Block you on 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's not a good smiling.
I got like 3.
Okay, guys. So we
Let's
just
try quickly.
we just got out of Theo class and we're headed to
Zaga G!
go to the Gonzaga Hall. So
G-Zags.
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 it's like our canteen kind of thing there. It's like it's a 2-floor thing. Cafeteria.
Has 2 floors.
So how's your day going so far, guys?
Sarap ng breakfast ko. English
Fantastic.
homework 6 a.m.
English bad trip, homework 6 a.m. Due 10 a.m.
Alright guys, so we're here right now in the
Zen Garden.
we're in the Zen Garden, we're on the benches. So we're gonna be doing a try not to laugh challenge. So we each got some water bottles for one. Yeah, you're gonna have some water. So we're gonna have water in her mouth while we watch some try not to laugh videos on YouTube. So I'll be sure to flash the videos that we watch in the video later when I edit the video that I'll upload, so that you guys can see the video that we're watching in the video.
Pro editor.
Yeah, bro. All right, guys, fill your mouths with water. Get the water.
Yo, water.
Do you think they'll actually have staples?
Okay, that's it. Hi guys, so I'm here with. It's raining ata. Okay, so I'm here with Calvin. We're on the way to Fora Hall for our physics class, and what we're going through right now is what's it called? Rec week. It's like the rec week, so it's like a advertisement of all the different orgs you can join. But yeah, I'm gonna cover this later. For now, we're headed to physics class in the Fora Hall over there. Got you guys there. Okay, so I'm with my boy. What's your name? Abby. I'm with Abby over here. So this is my physics seatmate along with this guy. This Calvin, this Abby. So yeah, this is our classroom. This is a forum classroom. Yo, Janice. Oh, Janice, say hi. And Sophia, right? Ella. Myra. Ella. It was close. But yeah, we're just waiting for a prof. So catch you guys later. Okay, so we're gonna return the pen to the rightful owner. Here you go. Okay, so we just got out of class. This is Ali right here, and I've got Calvin, and we're in the rec week kind of fair thing, and I've got some people here from Ajma. So let's flip the camera.
What? I'm strong!
All right, so yeah, what's Ajma?
Ajma's the premier
marketing organization of the Ateneo.
How much do you party there?
We party enough to get to know you guys.
I like that. Guess we'll be joining some party. I mean, Ajman. We'll be joining Ajman. All right, thanks, boys.
That's why I joined. Say you have the best party. Planning parties.
Is that all the freshies are into it now?
No, we're asking around.
Let me just say. Pretty good. The parties are pretty good, but I didn't join for the party. Let me just say, I joined for the parties. I came out like loving the org.
Sure, party boy pa rin eh.
I mean, you're not wrong.
You're not wrong.
You're not wrong.
So, kailan yung next party?
Depende if you join.
Tonight? All right, what orgs did you guys join? Najma. Why did we join Najma?
Party!
Hey, party!
Party!
All right, thank you guys so much for joining our vlog today and tuning in. So be sure to like and subscribe, right, guys?
Don't forget to comment.
Don't forget to comment and share.
Your number.
And share the video. So
I'll call you tonight.
So this has been Vlog Q, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye guys.